Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing this AI translator. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box. Alright, they give you your manual, charging cable. Pretty nice box. I think we're going to keep this. Here's the device itself. Just reminds you of a small cell phone. Power button on the side. Let's see if we press and hold. Okay, so press and hold the power button on the side to turn it on. I like how small and compact it is, so you can just fit it in your pocket or in your purse or related. Charge it underneath here. Testing. Okay, so it's in this. Okay, it's turning on. So we'll just let it do its thing. Alright, here we go. As you can see, touchscreen. We got online translation, offline translation, smart recording, photo translation, group translation, language learning, input translation, real-time translation, exchange rate conversion, unit conversion, chat GPT, offline package management, world clock, and settings. Under settings, you can connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sleep setting, automatic shutdown, agent mode, and tons of different stuff. So it looks like you can actually put a TF card in here as well. It says TF. Maybe not. I'm not. Don't hold me to that. Okay, very nice. So that's online translation. Oh, that's fine. We don't need that. So let's see. We're just playing with this just to see how we can go back. Okay, online. So there's a lot of quick setting buttons here. So we press blue. What's blue? So blue is online. Okay. So for the online, we're going to go back and we're going to do the offline. Testing. Now let's see. We might have to. Hello, my name is Scott. Let's try this. Hello, so it's a little touchy with the blue button. Let's try this on the side. Hello, my name is Scott. How are you doing today? Let's. Hello. Testing. Unrecognized. It just keeps saying unrecognized. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Okay, let's try the other feature, smart recording. Hello, my name is Scott. How are you doing today? So after going over the manual, it appears that offline is very slow, and we've been waiting for it to translate what I was saying for 2-3 minutes now. So it appears online is like the way to go. However, you know, you're not always going to be at areas with Wi-Fi and all that stuff, so that might be a little disappointing. We're going to restart it, see if that speeds things up. So we're going to keep testing it out. That's, you know, why we're here. We're here to test it out for you guys, to find out the bugs, to find out some fixes. That way, if you run into something, you know what to do. So appears offline. You know, we stopped it and it just doesn't stop. So this is for voice recording. So there seems to be definitely some major delay issues so far that I'm noticing when you're offline. Like major, like almost unusable. Okay, let's move on to photo. Let's see if this will actually okay. So it's showing like it's scanning. So that actually worked pretty well, I believe.
Recording translation, language selection, tap the original language read on the recording translat.
So yeah, the photo actually worked great offline. So it took the photo and it translated it. I mean, that was great. That works good. Okay, well that's awesome. Language learning. Chinese to English. Testing. Testing. So it seems like right away it just goes unrecognized. You know, when you it just instantly goes unrecognized. I think for you know, I hate to say, but probably. Well, let's see how this works. Let's do English to Chinese. Okay, now how do we go back? So we want to get rid of the keyboard. Do we do that? No? Okay. There's definitely some things that you really have to learn. Like to get rid of the keyboard, do we press that? Nope, that takes the screen off. Do we press this? Nope. That? Nope. How do we get rid of the keyboard? It won't get rid of the keyboard.
Hello, I.
Okay, there we.
你好我.
Okay,
你好我.
so we had to tap this. So let's do hello. I'm Scott. And then tap down there.
你好，我是斯科特.
So that works good. So far the photo translation and the input translation works great offline. The offline translation, the smart recording, not working too good. Let's try the okay group. You need to be online as well. Real time translation. Let's try this. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Unrecognizable. Let's switch it over. English to Chinese. Hello, hello, hello. Testing 1 2 3 testing. Testing 1 2 3 testing. Okay, so that probably must need to be online as well. Exchange rate. So that's pretty nice. You can enter in 500, convert. Okay, so you need internet for exchange rate. Units. Chat GPT, probably going to need the. Okay, so you're going to have to go and open up Chrome. So you're probably going to have to sign in. I'm guessing. Okay, so yeah, Chat GPT, you need online. Offline management package. So it looks like you actually. Oh, that's probably why. Okay, so Why it probably wasn't working right is because you got to go under offline packages, and I think you need to download them all. So you must download all the languages. And so you first need to you first need to connect to Wi-Fi. Then you're going to want to download the languages that you want for offline. Okay. Well, interesting. Very interesting. Okay, now we are connected. Let's try this out. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing, testing.
123 testing, testing.
Okay. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 4, 5, 6.
测试123，测试456。
Okay, now that we're online, the online translation works great. Now, what you want to do is you want to connect online, go under offline package, and just go ahead and download. Go download all the languages that you're going to want. So that's what I recommend doing. I recommend just going down through and installing whatever languages you think you're going to be needing. That way you have it. So our screen did freeze now while we're doing this. So there's definitely quite a few bugs that I think need worked out. Now that we're online, we're going to try again the smart recording. Hello, my name is Scott. How are you doing? Hello, my name is Scott. How are you doing? Let's see. We probably still for chat GPT still have to probably connect and everything. I'm not sure if we're going to need a username or anything for that. Yeah, so you got to log in and sign up for that. Online. So online translation works good now. The buttons are a little kind of iffy, but so every time I go outside, it starts to rain. Okay, we're now going to disconnect and see if the offline translation works better since we downloaded the language. Okay, Wi-Fi's turned off. We're going to do English to Chinese. My name is Scott. How are you doing? So there we go.
我的名字是斯科特，你好吗？
Hello, I am lost. Do you know where the local tea shop is?
你好，我迷路了。你知道当地茶店在哪里吗？
So, it does work offline now. So, when you get this, go under, add your Wi-Fi, go under offline package management, download all the languages that you think you're going to be using, and then go ahead, download them, and then you should be good, as it just showed you. So it is nice. There are some bugs with some features, like, let's see if this recording. Okay, so yeah, we still need that. You just got to get used to it, but it is pretty cool and definitely something you want to take with you if you're traveling.